Hi friends, I'm going to show you how I'm adding these crochet leaves to the border of my blanket. You start by chaining 4, yarn over, and into that first chain space, you are going to put the hook through, grab the yarn to create a loop, yarn over again, and do this step 3 more times until you have 7 loops on the hook. It looks like this. Grab the yarn and pull up through 2 loops, working 2 loops at a time all the way until the end. Chain 1. Turn the leaf to work the second side, and into that first loop, yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn, and do it all again until you have 7 loops also on this side, working through 2 loops at a time all the way until the end. You've created a cute leaf shape which you can then secure to the border of your blanket. I'll be showing you how to crochet the flowers that go along with these leaves in another video, so be sure to subscribe.